Hey, what's up guys? We're back doing a little fishing adventure. Off to a bit of a late start today. It's 8 o'clock, but no biggie. Probably about 60 degrees, a little chilly still here in November. But today we're going to be fishing in New Smyrna. It's a little spot that I like. Pretty quiet, not a lot of people fish there, and it's kind of tucked away in this little cove. It's really cool. But first gonna get some bait, and I'll see you guys out there. Alright guys, this is the spot. Pretty nice, like I said, nice and quiet, and it's just right off this road. So if we wanted to, we could do that side of the road or this side, both equally. This is good. Got some mangroves, got a fishing pod over there, some more mangroves. Whew, it's flat. Alright guys, let's throw some lines in the water. Alright, so I'm going to start out throwing some artificial. One of these guys, DOA root beer, worked pretty good. Alright, then I also have some shrimp to throw out too when these artificials ain't working. And we're going to get to it. Let's go try the other side. Okay guys, this is what we're gonna do. Big shrimp on this rod, and the smaller rod just gonna stick to lures. Just gonna leave this bad boy out there, catch a big fish. Guys, something small keeps snagging them off. Gotta try to get out there further. Alright guys, new location. Alright guys, location number 2. No luck at the first location, but that's alright. I'm not going to give up on this day. It's nice out. I'm feeling good. Let's see if we can get some fish over here, man. Can't have my shrimp, dog. It's my shrimp. Chill. Alright, finally. It's not much, but it's something. Little mangrove snapper. Get him all. Open your mouth, bud. Alright. Little guy. Back you. Okay guys, so if you haven't noticed, I'm a total noob at fishing, but it's fun. Like, I only got a mangrove snapper. We just got a boat too, and we just got to patch the holes on that. We actually took it out the other day and caught a lot of fish. Of course I wasn't recording because I don't have a boat mount for my phone. This is going to conclude the second video. It was nice out. That's about it. The only thing I can say. It's good. Got a lot of bites. Yeah, I'm gonna start making some videos on the boat. Catch a lot more fish. Be a lot more exciting than these dumb little startup videos I got going. But yeah, to those who subscribe, thank you. I appreciate it. You know, I know these aren't exciting videos. It's kind of starting out, but it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm just gonna stick with this and hopefully have some success down the road. Hopefully, I am gonna have success down the road. That's the attitude you need. Alright guys, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video. Have a great day.